Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Smart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet dresses. So we will try our best to show you unique and new designs for your crocheting. We'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your best crocheting. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon. Don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful crochet dress collection. We have made very beautiful pictures remix especially for you. I have collected these pictures from very far. Here are some benefits which we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is breathability. Crochet fabric allows air circulation, keeping you cool in warm weather. Comfort. Soft yarn make crochet dresses comfortable to wear. Unique style. Each piece is often handmade, ensuring a one-of-a-kind look. Versatility. Can be dressed up or down for various occasions. Lightweight. Easy to pack and carry, ideal for travel. If you wanna go somewhere and you want to take 10 dresses with you, so don't worry, it's really very lightweight for you. You can pack 10 dresses very easily and you can take that dresses with you. Layering potential. Perfect for laying over or under jackets. Eco-friendly. Many crochet dresses are made from natural fibers or recycled materials. Dear viewer, if you have any of your special friends and you are showing great love for her, you wanna give her some special dress so that she will remember that gift for 100 of years, we have very strong and smooth suggestion for that. If you know crocheting, it will be very good for you. But if you don't know crocheting, don't worry, we have solved out the solution. You can contact the guy who knows crocheting and tell him to make one of the special dresses for your friend. I'm sure if you give that gift to your friend, she will remember that gift for 100 of years. Another thing, don't forget to leave a comment about my dresses collections. I'm always looking for your comments because I need your suggestions to make some better changing in my video collection. However, you will comment to me, I will try my best to change my video collections as per your requirements. Adjustable fit. Many designs have stretch accommodating various body type. Timeless appeal. Crochet has a vintage charm that never goes out of style. Seasonal adaptability. Suitable for summer days or late for color season. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Timeless appeal. Crochet has a vintage charm that never goes out of style. Colorful option available in a wide range of colors and patterns. Easy maintenance, typically machine washable and quick to dry. Confidence boost, unique and style outfits can enhance self-esteem. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another idea. Thank you for watching.